this Big Benji, man. Another big event we got going on. Me and my team. Shout out Little Cali and Jungle. So come over here, boss. Show them this. We got the gummies over here. All right, and then we got the Wonka bars over here, right? And then over here, show them the juice, man. I got like 5 different flavors, man. You feel me? All right here, and then come over here. We got the Valentine's cupcake infused edition. You feel me? And over here, we got the white marshmallows, Krispy Kreme, and we got the Oreo fudge brownies. Then over here, you feel me? Everything right, man. Big Benji, you already know how we do. And then come back here, boss. Right here. Show them the Zod packs we got, man. Well Zod, you feel me? And show them the pants, man. That's what we doing, man. We got the Benji gear on, you feel me? And then get, you know what I'm saying? Feel your life. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tap in with Big Benji, man.